Hello Lomzy team, welcome to my channel. Yeah, today I'll be going fabric sourcing. I'll be looking for this fabric, this white and black fabric. I actually want to use it for a fashion show, and I want any fabric in African print that has black and white, so that I'll be able to work with it. So you come along with me, let's go fabric sourcing. And if you see any fabric that you like, you can screen grab it and send to me to help you buy it. So let's go and shop together. Yeah, I just got to the market. Wuse market in Abuja is one of the biggest markets. So I'm going to the fabric side. So yeah, this is the first shop I'm entering. I am faced with a lot of colorful fabrics. I don't even know where to start from. But anyway, we have to start from somewhere. This is a Chiefgan V material, African print. Oh my goodness. I hope I see what I want. I'm not even seeing any white or black fabric. I like this two-tone, but that's not white and green. Oh, that's not white and black. So, oh my goodness, I don't think I will see this fabric in this shop. Oh, that one up there it has a very big design. I like this also, but the color is not what I'm looking for. It looks very dark, so I can't work with it. Ow, ow, ow. What? I can't see anything. When you want to get something, that's when you find it hard to see. I think I was thinking I would just quickly just see a black and white fabric immediately I enter a fabric shop. This is lead log. This is nice also. But no, 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 no. This is not what I want. For another design, yes, but no. This guy is trying his best. This is actually very nice, but I'm not into any green thing now. But this is nice. You can work with the pattern, with the big pattern. This is also nice. You can cut out the pattern of this and use it for a design. This green is actually very sharp. Very, very sharp. I'm going to another fabric shop because I can't find what I'm looking for there. So let's check here. Ow. Don't tell me no white and black here. African prints, what is happening? I know we have a lot of white and black African prints. Uh-oh. I hope nothing makes me change my designs, because I can't start checking for a new collection now. Oh. I thought I saw a white and black. Yeah, that's a white and black. Oh, this Ludo fabric, this white Ludo fabric, this is too common. No. That's not what I'm looking for. This is the least fabric I have in my head now. This shell is also good. Yeah, look at the white and black. Ah, this is nice. And the way it's combined with the red is actually nice. I also like the green and black of it. I think I will consider that. This is a fabric that is common. It's a very nice fabric that you can work with. I think I'll be working with it very soon. Yeah, at least I've seen one black and white fabric that I can hold on to. Okay. Oh my goodness. They didn't have enough of that. They just had only one piece. And I can't work with one piece. I have to work with something that is available. What? Can you imagine this? Okay, just entered another shop. Today is the market day for African fabrics. So I have a lot of people here. I don't want to. Okay, you can see that fabric I told you. It's very, very nice. It's actually available everywhere, and it's a very nice earth color African print fabric. That's nice. Yeah, let's continue with our search. White. Okay, this is Nigeria Independence Day. That's why you have all the greens. Oh, everybody is sourcing for green fabric. Okay, that's why the green and white thing is going on there. Okay. Oh, I hope I see my white and black. Yeah, green and white. Nigerian Independence Day celebration. They are getting ready for it. This is a very bold pattern. I don't like working with bold patterns when I have different designs I'm working with, because the big patterns will stop you from working on some type of designs. It will be very, very choosy. So that's why I don't like working with big patterns like that. Oh, I can't believe this. Today is not looking like it's my day. And I have no idea where I will start from if I have to change my design because of color. I've already sketched out all I want to do. That's green, Nigerian colors. This is nice too. I wish I can see this in white and black, or any other color that will go well with the skin. Yeah, that's our fabric there, popular. I think I'll be making an infinity pants with that fabric. I think I'll get that fabric and make an infinity jumpsuit with it. This is, I think this is that same pattern that I saw that had a black and white, but this is brown. Oh, see what I found. Boo kaftan boo with belt hole. I made this so you can go and check on my channel how I made this top. You can make yours. Is actually very easy to make. African boo top with belt hole. You can make it as a long boo or a short boo. You know, it's a very fine, nice design, easy and comfortable. Oh, see this red, and it's an earth. No. All these colors. This is that same fabric that I saw that has no. This is not the same one, but this is in that family. This is cool too, because I can work with the red. I should have come with a sample so I can show them. But I have really gone round this market. Can't find anything I want. Maybe I should have come for the fabric first before sketching out my designs. This fabric is available. I can see it's not scarce. I hope you're not tired. We have to get something for me to go for a fashion show. Look at this white. It's that same block Ludo fabric that I don't want to work with. I don't just want to work with it. That's a no for me. I don't know why. This is nice. This is nice, but I'm looking for a white and black, my dear. You can see how hard it is to get some fabrics. It's not just making it. Another thing is sourcing for fabric. I've entered another African fabric shop in search of my black and white fabric, African fabric. I like this fabric, but why I can't work with it is because of the way the pattern is. It will not allow you do some type of designs because of the way the design is placed. If not, I so love the fabric. Yeah, okay, see this blue and pink? This looks very nice. Okay, I think I have one thing in mind now. If I have to change my mind, I think that pink and blue, because it's just a two-tone fabric. Anyway, let's keep searching. I hope I find my white and black with a very nice pattern. That will just make my day. But I hope this won't be the last fabric shop I enter, because I'm getting exhausted. I think I've been to this shop before. Have I? Yeah, because this green I'm seeing here is that green that I saw before. I hope I have not walked all around the market and came back to the same place. That's it. That's it. That's the fabric. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's it. See now. I've been to this place. See that fabric I showed you before. I've been to this shop. Mm. Phew. Ha. You know how you can get to the market and you want to buy something and you end up buying another thing. This is my case today. I actually didn't see any white fabric that I liked. This is what I found, so I had to just buy this. But I'm still checking if this is actually what I will want to work with, because I have to consider the blue, the pink, how it go on the skin and all that. So if this won't work with what I'm doing, it means I'll have to go fabric sourcing again. But for today, my dear, this is the only thing I got that I like, that is close to what I'm looking for because of the design and the two-tone colored. Yes, I know there is a black in it, but the black is not that prominent, so this is closer to what I wanted, as in the design, but the color is not just what I want. So I think I might still have to go fabric sourcing again. Yeah, if you like this fabric, you can order for it. All I need to do is deliver it to you wherever you are. We deliver worldwide anyway, so hit me right back.